Bro, why is my screen glitching? My screen just glitched. Bro, look at this noob. No, you noob. What is happening? What is happening? Dun, 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 dun. Ronnie, why are you... Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay. A man has fallen into the river. A man has fallen into the river. And... Bro, what is happening? Riley, push me. Ronnie, push me. Ronnie, push me. Ronnie, I need you to push me. From the front, from the front, from the front. The front. The front. It works. That was with Nicole, the noob. Riley, you don't have to do it anymore. Okay, that works. You're my son. Son, I'm going to drive you to school. Son, I'm going to drive you to school.
Okay. I'm going to school.
We're going to school. I'm totally not trying to kill my son. Okay, come on. The school's this way.
Okay.
What's this? Son, come here. Son, come back.
I'm coming.
I saw that. Are you there? Riley, type in the chat if you're there. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Oh, is your brother just going crazy?
Are you filming right now?
Yes, I've been filming for the past 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Watch this. Trick stunt. Ugh. Stop honking your horn! There he goes. I'm gonna wait for the next train to spawn. Ready? Riley, ready? Okay, we're going to school. Get in. Get in.
Okay. Come here.
What happened? Let's get in the train and go to school. Move your train. Riley, reset your character. I died.
I didn't die. I survived.
Riley, I'm getting a different Jeep. Come on.
I survived.
Just go to spawn, please. This is my avatar, folks. Riley, come on. I'm right here. My Jeep's right here.
I'm getting in the school bus.
I'll escort you. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Stay behind me.
It's glitching.
Yeah, you just glitched.
To drift so much. Man. You don't have to drift, you know?
Are you okay?
Oh,
I will escort you off the tracks, Riley. I will escort you off the tracks. Riley, get in. I'm gonna push. I'm gonna push you. Is it working? I'll push from the roof. I'll push with my car. There goes my car. There goes me. There goes me. There goes my car. Let's try that again. But this time don't drift. Get a bus.
This is way more good. This is better.
What's that?
Let me get on the train tracks.
Say hi
No.
to YT noobs. Say hi to YT noobs. Riley, are you there? Can you come get a school bus because I want to escort you?
Okay.
I'm just doing donuts in the parking lot.
I see you.
I flipped.
Look at that. Highway bus.
Come on, follow me.
That is more like. Why is it not driving?
Try it again.
Okay, good.
Follow me. Don't rear end me because you're going to lag me. Stop. Okay, now let's go. Always stay behind me. No going in front of me.
Okay.
Oh no, my engine broke down. You gotta stay behind me though. Hey, come on. What is wrong with the train? What happened? I see your I see your bus. My Jeep just flipped in front of you. Riley, stop! I saw your bus. What? Did you die?
Yes. When I'm in the ambulance, not. Oh no, this is it.
Riley, go back to spawn and get a school bus again. Or bus at least.
I'm gonna highway bus.
That was funny.
Okay, let me get the highway bus on. Ow! I'm in this guy's horn.
Oh, snap. Oh, you better run, buddy. I did not just see that. And move your truck.
No.
Can I get on it? No.
No, get out.
I'm trying to get on your stupid truck. Noob. Did you get a bus?
Get on me.
Yeet. Yeet, 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 yeet. Did you actually notice that they changed it back to spring? Stupid bumper car. Riley, follow me.
Where are you?
Hold on, I'm stuck by a bumper car. Okay, come on.
You're stolen poopy people.
I know, they're poopy people.
No! Who the heck killed me? Hey!
Get a different bus. Get another bus.
I'm in a train right now.
You are? I'm stuck over your debris.
Give me a sec.
Can you get a bus? Oh, yay, the debris is gone. Get another highway bus.
Highway. Okay, I'm gonna
Follow me.
see your name tag.
Come on.
Ew.
You're lagging. Don't rear end me.
Ew,
Snap.
this one just-
Snap. What just happened? Flip your vehicle. Do you see the flip button?
Yes, I see it. I'm pressing on it and it's not working.
Keep trying.
Let me do something. Nope, it's not working. It's not working.
Riley, I'm going to jump in your bus and fix it.
No, I'm not setting.
There's something wrong with my... What is wrong with my freaking avatar?
That was...
Riley, just get a bus and don't do anything with it until I say so. Okay, Riley, you can do stuff with your bus. Follow me.
I'm in the bus. Now where are you?
You just ran me over. Come on.
Where?
Stop your bus.
This bus.
What was that? I'm stuck. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Oh, snap. I thought that there's a car. Oh, my engine broke down. You gotta stay behind me. Oh, snap.
I'm a train.
Okay, yeah, say that to the train.
No, I'm a train.
Riley, say you're a train to the train. Oh, snap, there's lag. There's lag. I just died.
I'm a train.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Stop with the train!